only viewers then. Ay. You can send super chat and super thanks, guys. If only I could say at least hello. Undang yun na ba na, Mac? Did you hear me? I'm taking my med so I can sleep well.
I'm sleeping well too.
Drink water. Please click the button like, guys. I'm really sleepy right now. Hi, thank you for my one like, Dan. Thank you so much. I need to put lotion at night time so my you know my skin will be good. Putting lotion only at night time because it's too hot. Too hot. Thank you for the second like. Shout out. Please comment, guys. Comment if you're new to my channel. And subscribe also. Hi everyone. Oh my god. Hi. Hi Bonsoy. You're in front of the camera. Yeah.
My father.
I why not? Why? Only thank you so much. This is my lotion. Hi to Bonsoy Anghad. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.
No, you
And
subscribe to my channel.
kayo lagi pag inana. I didn't teach you like that. Just like this. We're talking modeling. Modeling. This is just like a short live, guys, because I'm very sleepy. I'm just going to bed. And I would like to say hi. Hi to my avid viewers. Just watch my upload videos. Is it blurred? Okay, in front of the camera, they said. Yes, I am here in front of you guys. Just I forgot to use put some lipstick on my lips just to make me shine. I want to bring my lights over. Look at like that. The shade I want to put on my lips. And then like this. Hi to my 11 viewers. Does not look like